everybody, my name is. I'm gonna tell you about temperate deciduous. Forget this word. Deciduous forests. A blaze of color. Fall is the special time of the year. The weather gets cooler and many people feel more comfortable being outside. In some parts of the world, this season has a special appeal beyond the weather. As temperatures start to cool down, the first colorful hood. I shouldn't talk way too fast. In some parts. In some parts of the world, this season has become a special appeal beyond the weather. As temperatures start to cool down, the first colorful hints of autumn appear on trees. Before long, brilliant displays of yellows, golds, oranges, and reds paint the countryside. Some people only need to step outside their door just to see this glorious landscape. Others fly thousands of miles to view them. One thing is certain, this amazing event is not to be missed. Brilliant fall colors are one of the rarest shows on earth. They are also a telltale sign of temperate deciduous forest. The temperate deciduous forest biome. Different types of environments cover Earth's surface. These regions and communities of plants and animals that live there are called biomes. Grasslands, rainforests, deserts, and oceans are example biomes. So are temperate deciduous forests. Many factors play a part in creating Earth's biomes. Two important ones are latitude, how far a location is from the equator, and elevation, or height above sea level, which means that how tall it is. Like the mountain was more than 5,000, 5,000 height above sea level. Both help determine how warm or cool a place is. Climate, land, and water are also important building blocks of biomes, as well as plants and animals. Temperate deciduous forests are large areas where deciduous trees grow. The leaves of the trees change color in fall and drop on the ground in winter, like normal trees, I say. Oh yeah. Europe is the temperate deciduous forest covers nearly all of Europe, most of Asia, all of Japan or Korea, and most of China. Also, it was a bit of Russia and a small part of North America. I don't understand why the rest grows in South here, because maybe Africa, Australia, and South America are a bit too hot, I say. Temperate deciduous forests are located in the northern temperate zones. This latitude band is in the northern hemisphere between the cold polar zone and the hot tropical zone. Much of the eastern third of the United States is in this biome, as well as a small part of Canada. Large areas of temperate deciduous forests are found in Europe, Japan, eastern Russia, China, and Korea. And also, the Himalayas. I don't know why Himalayas, the temperate deciduous forests grow in the Himalayas. Himalayas. Temperate deciduous forests may border many other biomes. They may be located next to grasslands, temperate deserts, taiga, or subtropical forests. Climate and soil. Temperate deciduous forests are located in regions that receive both very warm and very cold weather. So it's a balance, I say. As a result, these biomes have 4 seasons. Each has its own unique personality. Winters are cool, often with low precipitation. precipitation, which was low rain. Although it varies from place to place, temperatures and precipitation both rise in spring and reach their peak in summer. Wait. Okay, I'm done checking downstairs to see my little brother do. Both rise, which can be quite humid. Autumn is cool and crisp, with a drop of precipitation. Temperatures throughout the year generally range from between 30 to minus 30 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. So it's a delicate balance. Yeah, right. Temperate deciduous forests have the highest precipitation per year of any biome at the rainforest. Rainforest has a lot of rain, so rain is precipitation. So that's cool. Roughly 75 to 150 centimeters of precipitation fall every year. In winter, precipitation often fall as snow, sleet, or hail. Solid and temperate deciduous forests tend to be deep, dark, and fertile. Fertile. This is a result of trees dropping leaves in autumn. These leaves build on the forest floor, creating a dense layer of leaf litter. Fungi, bacteria, and other underground organisms break down this leafy layer, releasing nutrients into the soil. Plants. Temperate deciduous forests are also known as temperate broadleaf forests. Most of the trees in this biome have wide, flat leaves instead of thin needles. Leaf shape is an adaptation that helps the tree survive. Because the leaf has a large surface area, they capture a great deal of sunlight for photosynthesis. See it? Photosynthesis is what a leaf. Here, this is a leaf. It takes carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. And during the night, it does the oxygen, which lights the humans, taking oxygen and release carbon dioxide. In this process, plants make food from sunlight, water, air, and chlorophyll, a chemical. Chlorophyll was a type of chemical which was in the cell of this leaf. It was important. It helps break sunlight, water, and air into food it breaks down sugar. Maybe. Forests in this biome generally have 5 levels of plants. The canopy includes the tallest trees, which receive the greatest amount of sunlight. The fertile soil nourishes many hardwood trees, including oak, elm, maple, hickory, beech, and ash. Ash? I never heard of a tree like that. Some sunlight gets through the dense canopy, which allows many species of plants to grow in the lower levels. The level under the canopy contains shorter trees, such as dogwoods, along with saplings. Saplings, I just put it. Saplings, young, slender trees. Beneath that is a shrub level, which may include rhododendron, maybe, sumac, and honeysuckle. Well, I'm going to trends, so goodbye.